In accordance with an order of the Ministry of Energy of the Republic of Belarus in 2007, Vitebsktorf unitary enterprise was recognized by incorporating 3 peat extraction and processing companies. Since then, large-scale work has been organized aimed at the modernization of the peat extraction and processing companies, the update of the peat extraction and processing equipment, drainage and construction of new fields for peat extraction. A new plant for substrates and peat moss production was commissioned in 2011. To date, it is the most advanced peat extraction and processing plant in Belarus. The plant is equipped with the most modern equipment of the leading world producers. The estimated plant capacity amounts to 38,000 tons of peat products per year. The peat extraction is effected in Zhuravlyovskaya field, which has a total area of 500 hectares and peat reserves of 2 million tons. Peat is delivered from the field to the plant by rail of 17 kilometers. The wagons are unloaded into raw materials hoppers, the so-called feeders. After that, the peat is fed from the feeders to drag and belt conveyors and is finally fed to a screening line at the plant. Wood inclusions are removed from the peat due to the screening line, and then the peat is divided into the following fractions: 0 to 7, 7 to 15, 15 to 30 and 0 to 40 millimeters. Peat with the dimensions exceeding 40 millimeters goes to a crush line. There are 4 measuring hoppers for the peat moss of various fractions as well as for the low-moor peat. These hoppers are used for substrates production. There is also a dolomite powder feeder, which is used for peat deoxidation, and 4 small feeders are used for mineral fertilizers application. The components are fed from the belt conveyor to the blending hopper, where they are mixed and are finally fed to 2 substrates production lines. All operations are computer-controlled at the plant. Now you can see the whole plant on the screen. One can see the separation line in operation, how the mixing process is taking place, which hopper and press are in operation at the moment. You can also input the needed fertilizers composition for substrates production. An Estonian bi-dimensioned peat press by Kruvix company is used for bale products manufacturing with a capacity of 10 big bales per hour. The performance specifications of the press make it possible to produce big bales with a volume from 4 to 6 cubic meters and a weight of a ton. After the goods have been produced, the finished products go to a warehouse and then they are shipped to customers. Premier Tech equipment is used for the substrates production of a volume from 5 to 300 liters. The equipment capacity ranges from 700 to 1,600 bales, depending on the packing volume. The finished products are packed by cola palletizers, with packed products being placed on the pallets in a quantity from 15 to 150 bales per pallet. A special attention is paid to the quality of products manufactured at the plant, where there is a laboratory in which the analysis of the input control of raw materials and finished products is carried out. Such parameters as acidity, ash content, moisture, radioactivity of the raw materials, as well as the amount of nutrients in the substrates are defined. The high quality of the production is ensured not only by the modern equipment. The substrates recipes has been developed by specialists of BLNI Top Project Scientific Research Institute in accordance with recommendations of Belarusian National Academy of Science. Samples of each lot is stored at the plants for a year. Vitebsktorf unitary enterprise is an authorized operator on FEA, which enables us to clear the goods for export right at the plant. Today, our range of substrates amounts to more than 60 varieties. Our production is sold throughout Belarus and in the foreign markets. There is also a boiler house at the plant, which is used for heating of the premises. It runs on local types of fuel. Sod peat, which is extracted by the plant, is used as a fuel. When you choose a Vitebsktorf unitary enterprise, first and foremost, you choose quality. Quality is when the client, not product, returns.